Okay, so this is the this should be the final video of the actual instruction part of this series. And what it will be is, after the solo, there is a couple of chords which are familiar to us because we've played them in the verses before the key change. Okay, now the key change goes from A, the key of A, up to the key of C, right? And it goes like this, right? So after the solo, we have, that's our last kind of lick in the solo. So we're playing A chord. This is the couple of chords before the key change. Now, this is a really nice move. You can throw this in anywhere, by the way. It's not necessarily stuck to straight after this, straight after the solo, because it can be used anytime you use the E major chord. But anyways, what it is, you go from your A to your E. Now this move, what it is again, it's like the sixths up here. Do you remember these from the chorus? You're going, this time I like to use my two middle fingers, the third and the second. Those two, okay? You're going both on the fourth fret, third and first string, with the second, the B string, muted. So we're going, so it's, okay, and then you pull off to the first fret of the third string with your first finger there. So we have, go to, so far we have, and then we'll go to an F sharp minor. Okay, so this move is, okay, you're hammering, and that's the first little bit. Okay, so it's kind of three little things, so it's, three little bits again, right? Then we are on to probably our D, but I'll just go through what we have so far. We've used that many times. We're back to our A. Nice and quietly on our E, then up to our F sharp minor. Now, just before our key change, we go to the D chord. Play our D, and we add on our little finger to make it a D sus4. Alright, and then we're into our C chord, which is essentially our key change. Right, what we have after the solo, I'll go from the last lick in the solo, and then I'll play the chords nice and slow between the solo and the key change. And then we're into the key change. Right, so that's that section. One more time before we go into the key change. Now, C, key change. So strum the C. So we're going to C, we're sliding our third finger up to the 14th fret of the 5th string, and we're playing this chord. It's a G-shaped chord again. It's actually a G chord as well, but it's a fret up, so it's like playing your G, or it's an octave up, sorry. It's like playing this G, but you're only playing the middle four strings. So C, that. We're kind of strumming a good bit here now. We're going to A minor now. So it's a fifth fret, bear in mind we've changed keys, so this is changed to a minor. It's no longer a major. Yeah, so we have A minor. Now we slide up to an F note there, which is the what was the 8th fret of the 5th string. It's very similar to that little D thing that we've done quite a lot. Remember the D thing? That little thing. This is similar. But what I do is I change one little thing. Go from the F. Go. It's the first bit. 12 to 14 on the 4th string. Is that? That's right. So again. Slide down to 12. Right? So far in the key change we have alright. Now in the next section of the key changes next bit is C. Slide up the same chord, now down to the A minor. You'll recognize it, it's just in a different key. It's the exact same as, remember this? It's the exact same thing as that, but it's just in a different key, so it's like this. So instead of being down here on the 7th to 9, you're down here on the 10th to the 12th frets, okay? And then you're back to C. Okay, so far in the key change we have C then. Now what we do here is all I'm doing is hammer on with my little finger. Sliding up again. Your outro. So all together from just after the solo we have key change. And that, my friends, is that.